We want to get a check of your forecast with Brian Schofield, and you were saying that it's pretty calm out there right now, and we've had a lot of hot temperatures lately.
Right, but it's always a but. But what's happening?
What's happening next?
Definitely, definitely, and we're changing things up. And you know, we have kind of it's a twofold first alert. And the first alert I'm going to give you first is that really we're bumping up not only the numbers, but we're adding more 100-degree days. That should be enough. If it wasn't for the wind coming in as well, that'll be significant, and it'll be very dry. But just remember, we're also closing in on the summer monsoon. It makes a big difference across our valley. It's not where we get the majority of our rain for the season, but we do get some impressive storms out of it. So just remember, winter is more where we get kind of the heavier rainfall and get kind of consistent storms, but we do get some pretty impressive stuff during the summer monsoon. Normally, we see about an inch of rain, and last year we did pretty well. Look at that year right there, over 4 inches, 1984, but the lowest we've actually had some years, boom, nothing doing. So we'll see how it all fares this year. Usually it really gets bumping in July, but it starts the middle of next month, so we're almost there. So either way, we're talking about wind as well. Wind is what's coming in. We don't see much now, but let me just roll through and you'll see. I don't see a lot for Wednesday. What I see is breezy to those nuisance-style winds. I see the strongest winds coming in for Thursday, but you know, they might get a little impressive later Wednesday as we transition into Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon, you can see these are sustained winds, our wind tracker, but those gusts should be higher, 35, maybe 40. We don't have anything going on now. It's just a little bit of cloud cover coming in. There's our next weather maker, just kind of ready to slide on in the picture, make a big difference in how it feels across the valley. It will actually lower temperatures, but then they will rebound quickly, and that's when you start to notice everything change for us. So here's the way it plays out in our next 7 days. End of the weekend, we knew we'd see 100s, but we've actually added it in for the start of the weekend. So if this looks a little different to you, yeah, why not? We're bumping up the numbers to reflect the current trends, which shows even bigger numbers for early next week. And it looks like those 100s will be long lasting. So that'll soon be our new norm. Not quite yet, but we're closing in on more days than we see in the 90s. So we're going to get a little bit of a cool down. That'll be the break with the wind, but those triple digits are on the way back to the valley with overnight lows getting impressively warm as well. Back to you guys.
All right.